Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add a timer to cooking in a Whirlpool oven. And first we'll need to press on the P right here in the middle. Let's try it again. Then you'll be able to set a delay when it should begin cooking. So for example, we can set it to 1 minute. Then press on P again to change the duration on how long it will cook. In this case, we can go for 10 minutes. Click on P again and you will see the end time when the cooking will end. Here you can also adjust it if you want to change the duration. Then click on P again and you will go back to your normal time, and all of the things that we set will begin. So in 1 minute it should start cooking in the specific mode that we picked right here. We can also set the temperature, and then it will cook for 10 minutes as we just set it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.